Open the trunk to gain access to the bulb assembly. The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Push the tab and pull to remove the cover. Remove the bolt by turning it counterclockwise.
The first step, when we want to pull this out, it comes straight back. There's a little rubber cover here, and what you want to do is just kind of get a panel puller or a screwdriver up in here and just pop that little tab out there like so. And then it's going to come straight out, so we can get our panel puller back here. And at this point, it does kind of slide out pretty darn easily.
Disconnect the bulb housing. Press the tab and pull the connector to remove it.
If the connector is tough, try working it off using steady, consistent force.
Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Push the connector straight in to connect the bulb housing.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place. You may need to use some force to get the bulb housing back in place. You should hear it connect to the vehicle.
Replace the cover by aligning the tabs and pushing it back in place.
It's a good idea to hand tighten the bolts before securing them to the vehicle.
Replace the bolt by turning it clockwise. Replace the cover by aligning the tabs and swinging it back in place.